Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Shiba Inu SHIB on Binance, step by step in a simple and easy way. First, open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Once it opens, tap on the trade option located at the bottom middle of the screen. At the top, tap on the coin selection option. Then use the search bar to search for SHIB USDT. Once SHIB USDT opens, tap on the Sell button at the top right corner next to the Buy option. Next, enter the amount of SHIB you want to sell. Set the rate in USDT according to your preference. Finally, tap the Sell SHIB button at the bottom to complete your transaction. And that's it? You have successfully sold your SHIB on Binance. And that's how you can sell Shiba Inu SHIB on Binance easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more Binance or crypto trading tutorials.